the capital city of Kurdistan region in Iraq, a land of heritage that boasts of 6,000 years of civilization. A peace-loving city having different nationalities and religion in a vibrant and dynamic society. 1947, Erbil witnessed the starting of a small textile shop by late Haji Yahya Bajga in the central market of Citadel, a humble beginning, the laying of founding stone of Cihan Group. Today, the group is one of the biggest business establishments in Kurdistan, having more than 15 business divisions, over 2,000 employees, and a nationwide network of various business activities in the whole of Iraq with stable business performance and consistent growth. In 1997, Cihan Motors was established as the automobile trading arm of Cihan Group, started importing brand new Toyota vehicles of 0 km with UN approval. 2004, Cihan Motors opened its first showroom of Toyota vehicles in Erbil, started importing Toyota vehicles directly from Toyota Japan through Toman Corporation, first private company to import vehicles to Kurdistan after the embargo. Subsequently, in 2006, Cihan Motors introduced the Kurdistan Farmers Union project. In 2008, Cihan Motors introduced the beige color taxi to Kurdistan, pioneered the Taxi Union project and Farmers Union project by successfully delivering more than 32,000 pickup and taxis in the whole of Kurdistan region. This changed the lives of thousands of families. In 2009, Cihan Motors was announced as the first Toyota authorized facility in the whole of Kurdistan and Iraq. Cihan Motors expanded its capabilities and established 3 Toyota authorized 3S facilities at Erbil, Suleymania and Duhok, a delivery facility at Zakko, 2 stockyards in Zakko and Erbil with a storing capacity of over 3,000 vehicles and 1 central parts depot at Erbil. Today, Cihan Motors boasts of having more than 100,000 Toyota customers and their valuable trust on it.
جيهان هي اللي موجودة في أربيل، شو تقول، هي الكومباني الرئيسي لاستيراد سيارات تويوتا ما شاء الله، يعني ضمان بها. مثلا تقولي أنا مشتري سيارة من تويوتا من شركة كومباني جيهان، يعني أكو ثقة أكو أمان.
Cihan Motors also had the privilege of introducing the technologically superior commercial vehicles, heavy machineries and related equipments to Kurdistan. Supplied hundreds of Hino trucks to government departments, agencies and private companies in the Kurdistan region. In 2015, Toyota Motor Corporation Japan decided to announce Sumitomo Corporation as the unified shipper and trading agency for the whole of Iraq, and later decided to give distributorship to Toyota Iraq, and also decided to upgrade Cihan Motors as one of the authorized dealers of Toyota in Iraq.
هر وقت چۆن توانیمان لە 12 ساڵی ڕابردوو خزمەتی براندی توێتا و بەکارهێنەران و کریارانی توێتا بکەین بەردەوام دەبین لەو ئەرکەمان تا دەتوانین.
دڵسۆزی ئاماژی سەرەکی کۆمپانیایە، دڵسۆزی بۆ کریار، دڵسۆزی لە نێوان کارمەندی کۆمپانیا، هەموو شتێک گرنگە بۆ ئێمە.
ئێمە زۆر خۆشحاڵین کاتێک دەبینین کڕیارەکانمان دڵخۆشن بە چاکردنەوەی ئۆتۆمبیلەکانمان لە سێڤیزیەما، بە ئۆتۆمبیلەکانیان بە سەلامەتی بەدڵدار لێ دەبڕین.
من تاکو ئێستا بەردەوام کە بە ماوەی 10 ساڵە کار دەکەم لە بەشی پارچەی دەکەم، هەموو ڕۆژێک هەست بە متمانەیەکی زۆر دەکەم لە هەستی کڕیارەکانمان لە کاتی پێدانی پارچەی یەدەژی توێتای ئۆریجینال.
Today, Cihan Motors reaffirm to the people of Kurdistan and Iraq, we are with you forever. We were and we will be. As of now, by signing the dealership agreement with Toyota Iraq, as Cihan Motors have gained a respectable position in the hearts of over 100,000 Toyota customers all over Kurdistan and Iraq, We take this opportunity to express our gratitude to Toyota Motor Corporation Japan, Toyota Tsusho Corporation Japan, and Sumitomo Corporation Japan for their continued support in the past so many years. We Cihan Motors are fully committed to the Toyota standards, and now we are ready to take Toyota brand to even higher level in Iraq. We will continue our journey and look forward to serving our Toyota customers on every occasion with passion.